Good afternoon, country people them. For tron number for this afternoon, 12-year-old pikin, he don't die for that side, so for Bepanda waiting to kill him. Na palava for pole for electricity way fall on top of that side, so for Bepanda side. This one it take happen 4 o'clock yesterday, but sort for this afternoon we don't go for fee for go see that palava. Paul is also sleep for place where he take 4. 3 picking them they be there inside this chapter. We go talk this palava for this afternoon. We go even try for see whether we go hear the mommy and papa for that 12-year picking way they so he take die. If not, tomorrow morning time. Work people then too for site for National Printing Press for Yaoundé. They be there for mash. Monday na for Sika say a company they owe them 3 months for salary. We go turn back for that chapter. Plus palava say small time man damba a get for happen for country. Since where people them for CAF they come up for country for that side, so for Mbappe le pay fee. No work it never start again after where they bring Caterpillar for can Chakada the place when that people then they come. All this story then so plus even one day when newspaper they take talk. We go try for talk on this afternoon. Big part talk where it come up for you on a to get divine. You dey try for tell we say man where he marry fine woman, he dey like a man where he plant a corn for corner road. Man where he marry fine gondere, he dey like a man where he plant corn for corner road. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people. Plenty glad for joining us. Number 2 time we'll meet up for this side for Equinox Story House. We go begin to read this afternoon now with the palava for die. We take on a go so for that side where they call them say Bepanda Omnisporm. Electricity power na the sea and so on the people them na small high tension where it is home a fall for down for inside that quarter yesterday as soon as this electricity power throw so for ground it be carry on small power for his skin it be chakara place fire be come out for day 2 times and the 2 times fire come out na 3 picking them they suffer for sake this power take 4 on the people them as well take here 2 they be get wound 1 way it they with the fire way come out for them a bunny sote it take die and this one na 12-year picking on the people them where it they so the commodity for that side so for Norwest where sabi say since school take start and no nothing know they happen na they pour that one na the sea and so where they pour don't chakara so they can put na cement for them for say they hold the pour but no nothing it no be so the show for that chapter so now people they work and for under the pour this pour so take talk 3 picking them they be they involved for this accident where it pass for day 1 person it take die after where the fire way come up for them a bunny plenty and 2 other picking them as so they talk now so they then for inside big hospital for that side so for inside Wala Yem for general hospital so now as so they talk so people them for palava for light they never come for day pole is also sleep straight no man you know the touch the pole all people they only pass jump on top pass for under or find some corner where the people so condition for this pole as so the take talk and so now so to it take happen so for inside that side so for Bepanda for Omnisporm for people that way they sabi this quarter fine opposite that side for sec from dog bat so as so the talk 3 people them they don't suffer 1 he die and 2 other one them general hospital now for day now make we take unam enter for compound for the 12-year-old pikin wey take die na papa for pikin that wey he wear that close to number 10 as well enter for compound na so cry for inside that compound so con people themselves they don't come for can't see as well they fit talk ashia for the family will be try for enter for inside the house for meet up mommy for pikin way for sika this palava e no be even fit for go for a business wey the turn for inside this chapter e be then a baby cry as well family people them they say for outside they suffer now the small boy that 12-year-old boy wey according to way papa talk for him he bring in for Bamenda for can learn book for this side but he don't come for this side na so die he don't come it up in na the small boy that 12-year-old boy, primary school pikin, class 5 pikin, wey e take die. We enter sese for inside the house, con people them for try for see how condition for house dem. Na mami for pikin that wey she don so for this chair. Na mami for pikin that. Other people they wey they try for beg say make e no cry, but it already happen. Now for sika say wetin mami and for sika say people then they know they do correct work. Fine boy pikin 12 years, he don't just die so. For sika carelessness for people they dey work palava light for inside the country. According to talk wey papa talk for him, so now company wey they look at light, they only call ask na program for how they go bury the pikin. They never talk any other thing, and even no big man for inside Gomnam, he never come for inside this chapter. Paul Sese Persona takes him, is also there for the same place where accident take happen, and for the whole dark quarter. I say for the whole dark quarter, all po them, they don't rotten. Now it means say after that po e form, other po they go follow for back. People then for that quarter, they talk now say make they change the kind po them. No be na stick again where they go use them. No be na stick po say Cameroon don't pass age for the use pole wey na stick. So con the people them na so this chapter don't take pass, na so take siam. I no sabi whether we fit hear a papa for pikin he talk for inside this chapter for this afternoon. Make we hear wetin papa get for talk.
And when they call me, say they put me in more pain. They really hurt me again the more, because they like instead try to ask me program for die. When we will bury them, where we will bury them. Therefore, instead I reply them with a cool mind, and then I tell them, no, none of you ask me such a question about burials, because I know we get plans to bury any pikin now. So I don't think say when they do a job as the big company will see for Cameroon. I think say they are failures. They don't fail us, because I know we count how many Cameroonians who don't die for current because of their carelessness. They don't do their job. The poor don't rotten all. The poor don't expire many years ago. Many years ago. And I think say if they don't want to do their jobs, need to leave the office for those who are ready to do it, because youths in there outside, they be physically strong for do those jobs. We don't sit there and call people on phone. I bring it for Douala because of the present Cameroon, the Anglophone crisis in Cameroon. Now why that? Because no schooling for the Anglophone zone. So we have to bring the child here, we bring it here so that we can study for here. If school will go on for Anglophone zone, in over day for here. If a day for Bamenda, they go school for Bamenda. So it really be hurting for remove picking from problem, then come it die. People for
yes, so now papa that for that small pikin, 12-year pikin will take die for that side. So for circle for dog bats for also take talk now for inside side for Omnisport for Bepanda side. Make we hear wait the mammy too for pikin he take talk. Even as we had it the hotty plenty.
I mean don't one place they can't call me too. So nothing that way don't happen. So I come now. But some I can see the picking, the people that work around the picking. They run the picking. As they run we they reach for hospital. As they reach for hospital, they pump me, take the last air. As it let me last air so it breathe. He die. Now that I get time for the die because I know be there me time when they die be start. No be there.
Yes, na mami for that 12-year-old pikin that way a palava pool he fall, then it chakara for inside Carrefour Omnisport side day for Omnisport Bepanda we he kill that pikin. So take talk, one 12-year pikin die, two other pikin them they dey for some kind of work condition for General Hospital for inside Douala here. Make we take una go for Yawende for talk different chapter now. Na palava for mash country people them we work people them for that side. So for national printing press country people them they be the workam for their workplace, they be denied for work for inside their work office, they be denied for work for their workplace. It be then on Monday as well they vex say company in never pay them for so 3 months according to the talk man for these people them person wey dey look out all the people them chief for personnel. He try for talk say company never pay them for November, December 2017 and January for 2018. But even for Sika that one, they don't so the work, enter for the work, and na so money to the enter for inside the company. But they don't understand why would they never pay them. Now for Sika that one, where they decide say they no go sit down, they no go work for inside that side. So today we they put our ear them for ground for take here whether for two for throne work. It don't start for that side, or they go hold the normal donga men the way they hold them for promise and say we go pay. So we just also wait for inside this chapter whether for two for true they go pay them, or they go promise na promise as way it ever happen for inside we country. Another story for this afternoon, we take una go for that side, so where they take call and say waiting Boya Monday it be then at the normal country, Sunday for people then for Boya, even as way some taxi they work, some abine place they be there where they be locked, they no be open for inside that side. So for Moliko con the people them they lock place them for Moliko side, no nothing, no be the worker Monday for inside Boya. Other people the way they be want me go by, they be only can meet always store there, or they don't lock. Now only small motor them they be the ton for inside town place. It be just day all man it be the doing normal work, but be net place them they no be open for that side. So for Boya for Monday as we store them they remain locked. Make we take una go for that side. So for Bamenda side now the same thing, calling people them make we enter for Bamenda too for talk the same chapter. It be then a normal tradition for them as we wrote a quiet, no man and nobody worker for roads. Even for inside town place where Okada people that they ever gather when for the way they carry people them, even moto then say they carry people them for year, no man and no be so day for make binet as usual. I mean say Okada no be day, and even moto where they carry people they no be turn up. Inside market say will be try for enter for see whether binet if it even they happen for market side for that side for Bamenda place it be just be some kind of way. Place a quiet, no business man, it no be there for sale. All people them, they be lock, they are store them, they be there for their house. Someone them, they be go for farm. But as all the take talk so, business it no be happen. As we all store them, they be take be lock for that side. So for Bamenda yesterday. Now so make we take una talk palava for chief. We take una go for Boya side them. Back where the people they now so they don't get their new chief, and the new chief in name now Prince Esoka Endeli. Yes, now in that after plenty time where they so they no be define the SDO, if they come make chief for Boya, then they no succeed for Sika. Say plenty people they be get for she done for that chair. Last yesterday it be then at the last day where the chief maker them the last choose Prince Esuka Endeli when a big man say we don't learn book for inside Cameroon and outside for he say make it chop chair for a papa where if he don't go work out since we sabi say palava for Boya forget chief. If it don't happen since we pa Endeli it be take worker. So now so all back with the people them whether na Cameroon, outside Cameroon, the new chief in name na Chief Esoka Endeli, or official so they call it Prince Endeli, Esoka Endeli. So time they go put it for chair official. So now so if Fasamoto all man he go the glad for say waiting. They don't last get person we go she down on top chair like big man. He go the look out all back with the people them, whether you dey for Douala, you dey for Bafoussam, you dey for Yaoundé, outside country. Now na new chief that Chief Esoka Endeli, His Royal Majesty Chief Esoka Endeli. So now so it take pass for Boya yesterday as well they get their new chief as well they talk for this side. Story for this afternoon too, we will talk palava young people them. Last for Yaoundé side day, Governor Nasiri Paul Biya. He don't launch youth day palava for center. This one it happen now with picking them for check their skin if they get AIDS, sick. We this we worry plenty of we picking them small one them. And for inside this big kingdom the way it happen for that side so from tree when a governor says every day them. If then a chapter for governor for remind this speaking them say na them get for service, say na them dey for big people. Then tomorrow governor if it take time so salute all people them, all small picking them where they don't do fine. If it dey to an opportunity for governor for sitting where picking they use their hand for make am. Now me say waiting all this handwork the way picking they take do am they show am for governor as we go launch youth day activity for that side so for center region. Sabi say as we governor be the launch your own for that side for Yawende. Big minister wey get small pikin dem for heart. Monona photo e be dey na for that side for Yingwi. So na the small thing than that wey pikin dey do am with their hand, show am for governor. Governor say we congratulate someone dem wey they don't do correct work. So you they don't launch am for Yawende and they don't launch am too for national. Na Oga Monona photo e do that one for Yingwi. So now so it take pass for that side so for Yawende. As so they launch you day. We talk Palava now so for Man and Damba for 2019. Douala Mbapelepe na place where some team them they go to make a training. But since we CAF people they enter for inside Cameroon, then they turn back when they bring Caterpillar can't keep them for inside that place. One Caterpillar save man you know the see am again for inside Mbapelepe after when they can make like say they work for them. No nothing you know the show again. The people that will come meet up themselves for inside Mbapelepe when a place where they go the train na Ngaboko people them now then they get the field now then say they be the look on that side so work it don't stop from Mbapelepe side as so take here and as so na the see am for photo no nothing you know the show again. Guata they don't dig and leave am but no nothing you know the happen again for inside Mbapelepe. Caterpillar say you know the day so Cameroon when this also talk say we want this Ndamba for enter for we country make it no go no place now inside we country we go happen this Ndamba and make no man you know talk say we no talk say we want this Ndamba 2019 June 7 July 7 Cameroon 2019 it must happen. So the talk from governor say make them say the year wait away Ahmad he don't talk make they put respect for inside try for see as well they go do the thing a pass quick so now so we see country for this half time with the total textile we talk Asha for family where he lost speaking for Sika Keles for people them for where they look out we like them make we enter for Toriwe newspaper they get for talk this afternoon the Star newspaper they try for Terry waiting NUDP they don't the plan as well they go make big win for Palava vote for 2018 this one it come na time where they don't keep minister for Palava roads it don't talk say 130 billion now the money that they will make them say they go fix road for Chang fix road even for that side where they go for Bakebe and even that side so for Fontaine this one they happen when most keep them for that side so for Memem they don't run come out for town for Sika chapter for this northwest southwest. We let the Star newspaper this afternoon we enter for another newspaper where they call them say Eden the Eden newspaper where they for outside Itewi chapter for this new chief for that side so for Boyam as well the tell we say last Boya chieftaincy Palabam solution it don't enter after we royal family it talks a make na Esuka Endeli it chop chair for a papa way it be don't go waka so for inside Eden they try for tell we say after we pom pass say from vi imukete it don't param last pa it dey strong and it talk say oil skin it dey can't play so for inside this chapter they tell we as well Cameroon people them they is so shock for this fire where it land for National Assembly small short number them the day where the Eden it take talk for chapter for National Assembly where it be cash fire for 2017 inside the Horizon where they for outside today Horizon to get own strong number as well they so plenty people that they talk after we they send the people them for anglophone people them by force or inside country according to the Horizon plenty people them they don't talk for this chapter so for inside the Horizon they say Honorable Joseph Wibam he don't send another message for anglophone people them waiting be that message now for enter for read them this one it happen for Palava for vote for 2018 they tell we say Honorable Fobi Sesep he prepare for say waiting he go be the number 3 man where he go talk say he go enter for chapter for vote for get president for country for inside SDF name so all the one them so they go decide when SDF meet up for number 22 day for inside this month. Other to read the day we on a fist also read them for the Horizon where it day for outside. We take on a enter for the Guardian Post where it day to for outside. The Guardian Post strong number for them. They try for Terry as soon governor he don't deny all the pom say they don't finish with that Ambazonia people the way they catch them. Governor he don't deny that one in the proper. This one it happen where people them for Betty they don't don join money 34 million francs CFA for say Popo e go be na their own man for inside chapter for 2018. This one in the country they tell we say kingmaker them for that side for Boyam. They don't finally decide for who go be the paramount chief for Bako the people them. This one it happened yesterday. This one to the come as well they don't carry Gomna go for court for Sikasi the cash Agbobala, Ayapol, Fontaine Niba and 68 other people them for chapter for Northwest and Southwest. The guidance post it get all that to read them for inside now for Bayam sabi wetin dey happen for country people them. Now so we take see country for this afternoon for Equinox television. Make una sabi say tori it dey continue for this side anyhow one be we dey na for give una tori and na so tuna dey for sika say we dey. If you don't talk table bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time. Make una hold am tight.